You can also buy shampoos to give your hair extra body or to revive tired hair. There are also shampoos available for thinning hair. If you walk into any superstore, the hair care range available can be staggering. If you want to know the best type of shampoo for your hair, try asking your hairdresser. Shampoos bought from professional hairdressers are usually of a much better quality. Many shampoos bought from stores contain a high amount of silicone. This is a kind of plastic that adds shine by coating the hair shaft. The best shampoos do not include silicone but use more natural ingredients such as herbs and aloe putty. Shampoos bought from a hairdresser typically cost more than store-bought shampoo, but the end result will be worth it. Our hair is attacked every day by pollutants in the air. Car exhaust fumes, tobacco smoke, and even the act of running your hands through your hair will add to the dirt. If you live in a big city, the problem is even worse. Most hair professionals recommend washing your hair every day. For this, you need a gentle cleansing shampoo that will not strip the hair of its nutrients. If you have dry hair, try using a shampoo that gives your hair extra moisture. Follow it up with a good conditioner that can be applied every day after washing. Usually called leave-in conditioners, these can be smoothed onto your hair and do not need to be washed out. They are great for giving the hair extra moisture. Make sure you know your hair type before choosing a shampoo. Also, make sure that the shampoo is compatible with your scalp. You may have a dry scalp or suffer from dandruff. There are shampoos specially designed to deal with these problems. If you apply the wrong shampoo, it will only make the problem worse. There are numerous shampoos available for colored hair. Colored hair may also fall under the category of damaged hair due to the chemicals used when coloring. If the color in your hair is beginning to fade, use a shampoo especially designed to bring back the color. Likewise, if your hair has been damaged by using hot straightening tongs, use a shampoo that will help repair the damage and add moisture. Your hair may differ in type depending on the time of year. Weather conditions such as humidity and the cold all have an effect on your hair. The proper shampoo and conditioner will be able to combat these conditions and leave your hair looking glossy and healthy.